This video walks you through how to access the demo company in Xero. Begin by logging into Xero with your account. Once you are signed in, wait for your usual organization dashboard to load fully. You need to start from your current Xero organization because the demo company is available from the organization switcher rather than as a separate sign-in. After you are inside Xero, move your attention to the top left corner of the screen. There, you will see your current organization name. Click the organization name to open the organization menu. This menu shows the other organizations and available company files connected to your account, including the demo option you need for this walkthrough. With the menu open, look through the available options until you find Demo Company Global. The wording matters here, so make sure you choose Demo Company Global from the list. If you have access to more than one organization, take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the demo company and not another live organization connected to your account. Once you have located Demo Company Global, click it. Xero will begin switching you from the organization you are currently viewing to the demo company. Depending on your connection, this may take a moment while the new company file loads. During that switch, you do not need to sign in again. Xero handles the change within the same account session. When the page finishes loading, you will be inside the demo company global environment. At this point, you are no longer working in your own organization. You are viewing a sample company that Xero provides for practice, review, and product exploration. This is useful when you want to look around the platform, try features, or review workflows without making changes to your actual business data. The demo company includes sample data, which means the transactions, contacts, and records you see are there for testing and exploration. Any work you do in that space stays separate from your own organization. That separation is the key reason for switching into the demo company instead of experimenting inside a live file. If you ever need to confirm where you are, look again at the organization name in the top left corner. It should now display Demo Company Global, which indicates that the switch has been completed successfully. From there, you can continue reviewing Xero features using the sample data provided in the demo environment. You are now signed into Xero's Demo Company Global and ready to explore sample data without affecting your own organization.